simple way you can cook some broccoli and cauliflower and carrot at home. Put on a medium sized pot on the stove, make the water start to boil like this. That's all of my vegetables right here: broccoli, cauliflower and carrot. And this is what happened. Straight in water. Nice and lovely. So once you see the water start to boil up, then you can look forward to pour off that water and strain it off. You see that? Yeah. Once you see that, you're good to go. So I'm gonna turn off my stove. Now we're gonna strain it off. And that's exactly what I'm talking about right there. Finished, done, and dusted. See that? Yeah. That's looking lovely and nice. So please enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. Thank you so much for watching. That's the best way you can do a vegetable at home. See you next time. Bye bye.